How to easily schedule messages in Slack. So to start, we'll have to open our Slack account. You can either open your Slack account through browser or by simply opening Slack application. And then in here, once you're in your account, simply tap on the channel where you want to schedule a message. After that, we'll have to go at the bottom and then in here, we'll have to type our message. So as an example, I'm going to type here, "Hi team, we will have a meeting tomorrow at 8 a.m. Once we're done with that, we'll have to go on the right part of the screen and then tap on this arrow icon. So in here, what we need to do is to tap on this custom time. And then in here, you can now schedule the date of your message. So as an example, I'm gonna date this for November 23. After that, I'm going to change the time to 8 a.m. And then once I'm done, I'll just have to tap on this schedule message. And as you can see here, I now have a scheduled message. So that's how easy we can schedule messages in Slack. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!